Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Monkey Wrench. I'm Kelly, the monkey in the office. When you don't see me outside, this is a different kind of video. So I'm trying to make different videos to double my output so you guys have more stuff to talk about, more stuff to see me in. We talk about more than just mowers and repairs here. We talk about guy stuff.
Please subscribe.
So today's video is on this unassuming box that I just got. This is my thoughts on the CVLIFE tactical light. This is a tactical flashlight. I'm going to show you here. The magazine is out. The gun is completely safe. There's nothing inside of it. Nothing inside of it. This is the flashlight in question, made by a company called CVLIFE. This is a 1500 lumen light, and I can blind you with it. It also has a strobe function. Sometimes it's hard to get on. There it is. The thing that makes this light stand out as to other lights that I have, including Streamlight and O-light. On the other lights, it has a swivel function. You push it down to keep it on, and you can push it up for momentary. This is a push button. You just push the button. That's all. It's a light touch push, and your light comes on. And one of the reasons why I wanted to order this light, well, one of the reasons, is because you can work this light without changing your grip on the firearm. It's on, it's off. I don't have to change the grip on this. I don't have to use a second hand, although it is ambidextrous. I can work it from both sides. I don't have to use my second hand in order to turn it on, and I do not have to change the grip that I have on this piece. So you push it in instead of moving it up and down, because moving it up and down, believe it or not, and I work out, you won't realize that your fingers don't have that kind of strength in this position. So moving a light up or down, you always have to move the hand position on your piece in order to make it move, and sometimes you have to use two different hands to do it. So with this being push button, you just turn it on and turn it off. Now the other few things that I like about this is the lever. It's a lock lever. You can put it on, it's completely adjustable. This piece here in the center moves up or down depending on where the slit is on your handguard, on your rail. And you just put it down in place. Once it's adjusted, push that down, and it locks it in place. There's no tools necessary at all. And this thing is good and solid. It's not going anywhere. It's not coming off. It doesn't wobble. It doesn't move around. Now this is a 1500 lumen pistol light. The Streamlight that I have is only 1000 lumens. The O-life that I have is only 1000 lumens. 1500 lumens, and it is rated to run for 1 hour and 30 minutes according to the website. Now this only has one setting as far as brightness is concerned, where other lights may have a low setting, a medium setting, and a high setting. This is strictly 1500 watts, and it claims that it can run for 1 hour and 30 minutes on. That may mean strobe, I'm not sure, but that's what the website says. It does have an aluminum body, and this thing is rated waterproof, but I can't find what its rated waterproofing is. Normally it's I think IPS5 or IPX6. You'll have to look that up yourself. I will be doing future videos with this light and a few other brands where I test their waterproof, test different things about them, test dropping them on the ground, see if they break, see if anything like that happens. But it is waterproof, it is aluminum. And the other cool thing about this light is this little pimple on the bottom. Inside the box, it comes with this cool little cord here. And you see that there's a little round magnetic spot on the bottom of that. And the reason for that is this thing goes right on here. It's magnetic. It is rechargeable. this is a USB-C, a USB cable. This goes into any brick for your phone, and that turns this into rechargeable, which is brilliant. I did not want a pistol light that I was going to have to continue to buy batteries for every time this thing goes dead. Most pistol lights are rated for 90 minutes, and if they're not rechargeable, you have to spend $3 to $4 to buy new batteries for it every hour and a half of use. Now granted, this is a pistol light, and the chances are you're probably never going to need it for an hour and a half. It's going to sit in the safe, it's going to sit in your box, it's going to sit in your drawer, and the chances that you'll ever have to use it are hopefully zero. It's an insurance policy. But the bottom line is that if this thing sits in the safe for 2 or 3 years and I forget to check the batteries, even normal batteries will lose their charge. They'll discharge over time, and I don't want to grab this thing and find out that, oops, I should have bought new batteries, or have to spend $30 to buy a 10-pack of batteries. That's freaking ridiculous. This thing is rechargeable. I can set a date in my calendar for every 6 months to pull it out, to throw the charger on it, charge it up, and make sure that this thing is always juiced. It gives you a reason to pull your pistol out and give it a good clean, to do any maintenance you need to do on it. Don't just let this thing sit in the safe for 6 years and then think you're going to pull it out and it's dried out and the batteries are dead, or whatever the case may be. Not to mention, if you ever do have to use this thing to protect yourself for long-term periods, being rechargeable means that I can recharge this off of any solar system, off of any battery backup, power brick that you have for your phone, your laptop, whatever. It's rechargeable, and that's why I wanted this particular light. So this thing is really brilliant. I've really given it the quick once over, my first impressions out of the box. It's good, it's strong, it's aluminum body, it's waterproof, it's rechargeable. It has the push button light that I love, so I don't have to change my hand grip. And I can tell you that I'm going to be testing this out over the next couple of weeks. I'm going to be doing some comparison videos between CVLIFE, Streamlight, Olight, and one other company, Fiachi. And I'm going to let you know what I think about these lights. I'm going to show you some footage here. Vanilla ice. Oh shit, it's dark out. Oh man, let me close the door and show you just how dark it is. There's no moon out here right now. No, there's nothing wrong with your screen. I want to show you this. This is what it looks like after dark. If you guys watch my video, you know my fence is about 80 feet away, and this thing is lighting up my entire backyard. And it has a strobe feature, which if I pointed this towards the camera, you'd probably have a seizure. So that's the point I wanted to show you out here, that it lights everything up. So if you want to know how powerful this light is, there you go. I mean, this is just amazing. And for the price of this particular light, which I'll talk about here as I wrap up the video, you can tell that this thing is definitely worth your money. Now, the pièce de résistance on this light, and this is the brilliant part. This light currently sells on Amazon for $39.99. That's right, Earl Shive, you can paint that car for just $39.95. 40 bucks for this thing. And I can tell you right now that the Olight and the Streamlight that I have cost me more like $150. The Streamlight is not rechargeable. I don't remember about the Olight yet. I haven't tested it out yet. And this thing looks as strong as any other light that I have. I really like the locking system to lock this thing onto the rail. You know, it's good and solid. It's not going to go anywhere. It's actually hard to push down. That's why I keep checking it to make sure that it's completely locked in the locked position. So there it is, the CVLIFE I'm going to be doing another review video on this in about 6 months, where I'm going to take this light. I'm going to make sure it's fully charged. It also has lighting on the side, if I remember correctly. There's light right here that shows red if it's needing a charge and green if it's charged. So you already know when the thing is charged, just like any other device. I'm going to be doing a time test where I make sure it's fully charged, turn it on, let it sit until it dies so I know exactly how long it runs for, and make sure that it's actually waterproof. We're going to take it out to the range. We're going to shoot a bunch of stuff and make sure that this thing doesn't loosen or shake itself off because of the locking system on it. So there will be another video on this in a few months. In the meantime, this so far I'm really digging. The fact that it's brighter than any other light, the fact that it has the strobe, the fact that it's push button instead of up and down, the fact that it's rechargeable, I'm digging it. So I hope this video helped. Remember, I am not sponsored by them. I will leave a link in the description. That's just a standard Amazon link. I don't get anything. I'm not an affiliate if you go there to check it out, but feel free to go check out that light. You can message me at any time, leave a comment on the video, ask me how I'm liking it. You might see this video 2 years from now, ask me if I still have it, if I'm still using it, if I still prefer this one or that one, or whatever the case may be. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Hit the like button, it's somewhere between my chin and my balls, and I'll see you soon.
Please subscribe.